guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and I'm welcoming you all into my home once again. Yes, guys, we are going to start this off with this gorgeous centerpiece. But I need you to pause right here. Pause. Go grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Get yourself a snack because, guys, there's a playlist link, and I'm sure you're not going to want to miss any of the treats that we have for you on today. So I'm going to start here with this beautiful, this gorgeous vase. Sage, cream, and hints of gold. Absolutely gorgeous. And you guys know when I see something that I love, yes, it has to come and be a part of the collection, especially if it's a gorgeous vase. I have my little tea kettle here, and it is on a rising, I'm using this little candle holder to help give it a little bit of height, but I broke my lid for this kettle, but we're still going to use it anyway. Then I have these little topiary balls, absolutely gorgeous. Have two on one side and one on the other. We're trying to balance out this height thing here in the center. That is all placed upon this lovely lace and natural colored runner. I have my two iridescent candle holders on each side. Actually, it's a candlestick and then the little holders, so they're separately, but I've added them together for another piece of that height thing that we look for in that center. We're looking to balance this thing out, you guys. We're going high, low, high, low. We are really going to work this center. But let's check out this place setting here. Guys, this charger plate, I picked it up from the Belk's department store, the home section. We have my gold and silver flatware. And my charger plate is of gold and cream color. So we're calling this the Peaches and Cream Tablescape. We've got these gorgeous scalloped plates and saucers, and we've got a little teacup and saucer, these gorgeous napkin rings that are absolutely amazing. And then we're topping it with this beautiful napkin that's bringing it all together. Yes, guys. This is our Peaches and Cream Tablescape, as it is part of the color series that is hosted monthly by Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle. And each month she will have a host, but this month she's got two co-hosts. So I am going to list all of their names and channel links in my description box. All right, you guys, enjoy the music, sit back and relax. And if you're new to my channel, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. Right here would be a perfect time for you to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified each and every time that an upload is made here. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, you guys know I love you. I appreciate you so much. Be blessed, guys, and enjoy the rest of this video to music. So guys, as I mentioned before, this is part of the monthly color series hosted by Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, and her co-host for this month is Amethyst Adventures and the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor. All channel links will be in my description box below, so please don't forget to go and visit the host as well as the co-host.